Okay, kids, I'm working on part 2 here. So I got the sanding done, and I've done cut 145 in there, test cutting. If you can see my line, I'm holding a little bit off of my line with the blade. Must have that so it don't slide back and forth. So I need 2 of these, and then I gotta cut 2 of the side pieces. And what I done is I laid the pillow down on here and held it back just a teeny tiny bit from that edge, so it's got a little room when it lays down in the box. And mark this line to go by. So I'm going to cut this and the next piece, and we'll come right back. Okay guys, I got my 2 pieces cut. There and there. So that's going to make the long side of the pillow. When I put it in the box, it's going to be like that. It looks, see, I got a little bit on that end. A little bit on that end. And I'm going by the cardboard on the back, because that'll move. So that's going to be in the bottom like that. So those are the 2 bottom pieces. So here, so now I got to cut the end pieces. So I'm going to do the same procedure as that. If you guys want to know noises, I'm watching radar over here. Same procedure. I'm doing this really slow because I don't want to mess it up. This is some good looking material. This is some beautiful walnut. If you can see that grading line. It's it'll be epic if I get it done right. Might be the best one I ever done. We'll see how it goes. But that's gonna be the sides. Like I said, this is gonna sit in there like that. And I'll have the 2 end pieces. And then I'm gonna cut. I'm gonna put the box together. I'm gonna run through the table saw and I'm gonna cut so it has a lid. It's all gonna be one piece until I cut it in half. Do the lid on. I'm gonna go piece on the top, piece on the bottom. Might be just plain plywood on the bottom, because you'll never see that. The top, I've got some extra pieces of walnut laying over there. I might do some glue up for the top. We'll see what it comes to. But I'm gonna leave it where it's at right now, and I'll go try to cut the other 2 pieces. There we are, guys. I think it's gonna be all right. Corners are gonna look all right. I'll get it. It's just sitting there on that table, so I haven't done nothing with it. I gotta make a bottom. I saw the top. Like I said, I gotta make some pieces over there to see what I can do with those.
There could be some rifle bands there that I'm not
Watching
seeing.
Arlene Rock Solid Passion live. Go check her out, guys, if you get a chance. Yeah, it's dust in the wood and stuff, so I sanded it down smooth. It's really smooth, but I'm gonna do some more, and this could be pretty. Get a nice top on it, nice bottom on it. I may order a piece of walnut plywood. I don't know. I seen a piece yesterday. Got a 2 foot by 4 foot piece or something like that for $30. I know it's walnut veneer, but it's still the same color, so it'd make it look a little bit better for the bottom, I guess. I don't know if it will or not, but yeah, I gotta find. There's 2 or 3 pieces of that little stuff there. There's 4 or 5 pieces if you can actually see the little pieces. It's all walnut, so I'll see what I can do. That might be a tomorrow thing. So kind of getting winded today, so thanks for watching. Okay, I think where we left off, I was trying to put this together. So that's what it is. It's not very big. This is all beginner stuff. Anybody can do this. You just got to get your miters. About 6 3/16 long. There we go. Almost 4 inches. It should have been 4 inches. I messed it up a little bit wide. It's going to be a little bit deeper than the 2 inches it is right now. And I put a wood bottom in it. I gotta, somehow or another I got that off, but I'm going to fill that in. Just glued it in. So I got that bottom. You'll never see this from the inside because it's got to be laying down in there. So, but I got to make a lid. Old Path's making pin blanks. Gotta make a lid. So, and believe it or not, that's smooth. That's just dirt, and it's all on it so far. So, see what I can do with it. See what I can do for a lid. Come up with, because I'm gonna glue it on here, and then I'm gonna cut about 1 inch off, and then put it back together. So, see what we come up with. All right. Hey kids. So, this is the last. I'll put this video together and put it out today. The box is together. I haven't got no stain or nothing on it. I'm going to try something with some polyurethane gloss I got. I'm going to try a little piece and see if it works out, makes it look good. But I am proud of this one. I usually don't brag on myself. I hate bragging on myself, but this thing looks awesome. That's walnut too on top, but it's different color and piece of maple in the middle. I reversed from what I had last time, and I liked it. So I got to get it polyed, get it. The camera's not doing it no good. This wood grain in this thing is fantastic. I'm sorry. These cameras, half the ones that we work with, I don't know if you can see the wood grain in that or not. Just awesome. I'm going to get some finish on it. I think it looks good. I think it looks real good. So thanks for watching, everybody.